Hey, what's going on, guys? I just wanted to say a huge thank you for helping me reach 200 subscribers on this YouTube channel. I know it doesn't seem like a lot, but it really does, because I remember just about a month and a half ago, I passed 100 subscribers, and I made a cool video about that. I was actually in Kuwait, of all places, and I was on the beach. I recorded it, and seeing the 100 subscriber mark was really, really special. And I know a lot of people on YouTube, they make videos about, passing 100,000 or a million or 10 million subscribers, and we're not there yet, but I'm really confident that if I can, continue to put out awesome content and you guys enjoy it, make sure you're liking it and share it with your different friends, circles, and I really appreciate you guys' support. We're gonna make it there. I won't make a video every 100 new subscribers. I'll probably make another video thanking you guys for maybe at 500 subscribers and 1,000. I know going from 100 to 200 doesn't seem like that much, but it is actually doubling. So huge shout out for all of you guys for watching some of my first videos. And of course, you guys are part of something special. I really am passionate about what I'm doing and sharing entrepreneurship, business, my worldly travels. Whatever you guys want to see, I'm very passionate about delivering. So I love to flex my creative muscles, and if you guys have any ideas for how I can do that or any kind of content that I can deliver for you guys, let me know in the comments below. But I wanted to say thank you so much for helping me go from 100 subscribers to 200 subscribers in just a matter of weeks. Really excited to see where we can take this and how fast we can get to that 500 subscriber mark, and of course 1,000 and more. So again, thank you so much for joining me on this journey, this mission, whatever you want to call it. Really appreciative and thankful for you guys for being there from the very beginning. I know a lot of you by name at this point, so I think it's really special to have that connection so early in this journey. Again, thank you so much. Thank you again. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I'll see you at 500 subscribers. Take care, stay safe, and keep hustling.